Okay, after make circle, 1 chain, 2 chain and 3 chain, 1 2 and 3, and then double crochet. Okay,
11 double crochets, and including the first chain they will be 12.
Okay.
We are going to take a slip stitch,
okay,
to end our first circle or first step of magic circle. In the next step we will make 2 double crochets in every stitch.
Okay, first 1 2 and 3 chain. Okay, 3 chain and 2 double crochets in every stitch. Okay, one and 2 in the same place. Okay, total 24 double crochets in this row.
Make all the double crochets in the same way. Okay, so now we have completed our second step of our ring, magic ring, and now we are going to make the third step.
1 2 and 3 chain again. Okay, and
now we will make the pattern 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets. The ratio will be this: 1 chain or 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, and the next one 2 double crochets.
okay, first one double crochet first and one and 2 double crochet. Okay, so 2 double crochet in the
next stitch. First we have made chain, then we have made 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch we have made 2 double crochets.
Okay,
and we will repeat the same ratio: 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet in every stitch now. So now our third line is also complete. We are finishing it by taking a slip knot. So this is the base of our flower pot. We are going to start our next step of flower pot.
that front loop,
we are using this off-white color,
back loop or front loop, back loop. Okay, back loop. Okay, 1 2
like this, one chain,
single crochet. Okay, okay,
you have to make the wall of the pot, so for that purpose we are doing this. Like this you will make. So now our first line is complete of our above portion.
after slip stitch, the second row, one chain, okay, one chain and simple stitch, simple crochet, simple stitch in every stitch. Okay,
you will make simple stitches in every chain. So we are making simple stitches and we will make 9 more lines like this line, so that we will get a height.
first line and 8 lines more.
8 lines more, total 9 lines.
After completing this row, slip stitch and 1 and 2 chain
We have made 2 chains.
and simple stitch.
Simple stitches in every crochet or in every hole, you can say.
Okay.
We have made the 2 chains first so that our flower pot gets a good height. You can use the colors which you like.
Okay, 7 more lines, same pattern.
Total 9 rows. Okay, so now our 9 lines are completed. Now we are going to start the next line. First we will make 3 chains.
1, okay, 1, 2 and 3. ठीक है,
3 chains, and then double crochet from this side of the loop. Double crochet in every loop.
okay, you see,
like this you will make this whole row. Okay, so now our line is complete. We are going to take slip stitch.
okay,
Our line is complete. cutting it. Okay, so mashallah, our flower pot, basic flower pot is ready. Now we will make it stylish by adding some other beautiful parts to it. Okay, so now we are going to place this piece of cardboard in our flower pot so that it remains supportive and it stands firm. Now we are placing cotton. We have made this magic ring, and this is the mud of our pot. And we will attach this sunflower. Okay, this is going to be our mud, the mud of our pot. And for this you can see our tutorial of Crocker sunflower bag. We have told in it how to make this whole magic ring. Mashallah, our sunflower pot is ready. If you like our flower pot, like and subscribe our channel, and also tell us in comment section how much you like our sunflower pot.